My respiratory nurses tried to convince me that day hospice would be good, but I kept putting it off and putting it off. And just going through those doors, it was dreadful. But I did it, and I had the meeting, and I am so glad that I did. It has changed me completely. My life seems worth living now, and I really enjoy coming here. And the nurses are so fantastic, and the doctors. I mean, I've seen doctors here. And yes, everybody's friendly, and it's given me a purpose.
I think being all together, we support each other, and we egg people on and give encouragement, and gel together like that. And it's relaxing. It is, and I really enjoy this part of it myself, and I really enjoy it, and I enjoy the whole day. But I would say this is my favourite part of the day. We have a lovely garden here. We can sit out in the garden in the summer, which is lovely. We have volunteer gardeners here which do a fantastic job of making the garden really lovely.
Yeah, it's changed me in lots of ways coming here, and they listen to you. You can talk and they listen, and they also give you advice. And I think it's different to your GP because GPs are so busy, yet you have time to talk here, and it's made a huge difference.